Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So I'm sure by now you guys have all heard of the website they call Shop Gold. Whether you've seen all their Instagram ads they put up, which is a goddamn lot, or you've seen YouTube videos on them, maybe you're a shopper yourself. Now for those of you who haven't heard of them, I guess quick explanation, they're complete assholes. Just kidding. No, they're a company that has amassed a large following over social media. I think that's a word, amassed. I read it in a book yesterday. I think they were like, he amassed all the women in the village or something, so it's gotta mean something good. Anyway, they've got lots of followers. There's some website that sell fake chains and they have marketed themselves beautifully because anyone buying their stuff thinks they're getting the best quality product there is. They're pretty much the best fake jewelry seller on the internet from what everyone says. Now lately with this website we're talking about, they put out this new campaign called Solid Gold for Cheap, which they actually, instead of selling fake jewelry for the hundreds of dollars they charge, they're actually now selling real gold on their website. Now I went on to take a look at this website. I'm no professor on how much gold costs, but I saw that their prices are absolutely out of hand. They're ridiculous. However, they say solid gold for cheap, so I thought, you know what, trust the process, even though your gut says absolutely not, you idiot, and maybe we'll buy a piece of that solid gold. See if it's the real deal, and hey man, maybe like it is better than it looks in the pictures. Maybe you are actually getting your money's worth. So recently I did a video on this piece right here that we bought off Shop Gold, which I've recently broken. It snapped off my neck like a goddamn mousetrap, and I paid a whopping $253 for it. Now once again, they call this Shop Gold, where you can buy real gold for the low, bro. That's what they say. I say not! Yes, maybe they're not taking advantage of me for their money, but maybe they are, and we're gonna put that to the test today. Now, after the video I did of this item right here, I came to the consensus where you can get a lot cheaper gold than this piece of crap for 200 and whatever dollars I just said. I don't even know if that's American or Canadian. It doesn't matter at that point because it's a lot of money, and I don't think I got my money's worth. So now I'm left with this pube-sized piece of gold, and I don't really know what to do with it. And then I got an idea, which doesn't happen often, but when it happens, I do it, which is why nothing goes right for me in life. It's usually a bad idea and, you know, it just spirals out of control from there. But anyway, I thought today we would take this solid chunk of shit and try to sell it to a place that'll buy gold and see if we can get our money's worth, if this is actually real gold for cheap, or how much of a loss am I gonna take, or maybe I'll make some money. I don't know. I got no use for this. We did a video on it, and now I'm doing the scheme that a lot of you guys could try if this actually does work out to be cheap. Who knows? Maybe we'll get 300 bucks for this. We got a $50 profit. All of a sudden we're running them out of business because we're buying all their stock and then we're selling it all for more. So at the end of the day, I guess the moral of what I'm trying to say is hopefully we do get our money. You know what I mean? Like our money's worth, but probably not, like I said, but we'll see. So what we're gonna go do now, boys, is go to like a pawn shop. Not really a pawn shop, but kind of. I've been kicked out of all the pawn shops in my city. If I go in there, they kick me out right away because they see my face. Whatever, I've caused a lot of ruckus. So this place, we're just gonna call a pawn shop for the title. I don't know what it's called, but they buy gold. We've been there in the past. I've gotten kicked out for filming, so I can't film there. I bought this stuff at a thrift store.
Why are you filming?
I just vlog my life. I won't show your face.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop.
It's off. So I bought this stuff at a thrift store, and I'm trying to see how much. Oh, that's my vape. That's a battery.
It's still going. Get out of here with that thing.
You know cameras.
Out.
Hold on. Should be off now.
Out.
So yeah, we can't film there, but I'm pretty sure that I'm not banned from there. So I'm gonna try to get the audio on my phone, kind of holding it down to my side, incognito. Every amount of money they offer me, I'll take it. Because right now I got this crap ass chain in my filming room and I just like, I don't need it. So either we're gonna take a big win or a big loss. We'll have to see what happens. Also give a thumbs up, which I always forget to say, and please subscribe, that'd be sick. All right, man, I got my smart attire on. As y'all can see, it's my little disguise. Usually I dress like an asshole, but I think they won't recognize me as easily if I'm dressed like this. Wish me luck for all of us. Actually, I'm wishing me luck because if this goes well, we're making some money. If it goes bad, it's not so good for Shop Gold. They won't like me when I'm angry, dude. They will not. Alright man, good news and bad news. Bad news first off is I went in with my phone to the side and the girl called me out right away. She's like, oh, where's your camera crew today? She's seen me from other pawn shops she's worked at. So I didn't film, I didn't get any sort of footage really. The good news though is we got a check right here and we also sold the thing for, I've got a receipt. I'm just gonna look at my personal info is not on there. Well, it's not really good news, bro. We got, and this is Canadian by the way, we got $76.48 from this 10 karat piece of gold right here. So my inkling was right, bro. I mean, I was gonna do this anyway. I thought I'd make a video showing y'all. I'm not trying to bash the company at all if you guys want to buy it. I mean, I think they stamped their logo in it if you want to pay an extra $200 for that. But this is my experience, and that's how much we sold this 200 and whatever dollar chain for. $78 or $76. Also, one more thing I should add, if you guys are actually trying to buy real gold, go on eBay, because if you search it up, you're gonna pay a little bit more than what they paid me there, because they're just buying gold. But you could probably get it for like $10 more on eBay from what they gave me. So you can get one of those chains I just showed you for like 80 bucks or like 88 bucks or something like that. So go do that, is my personal opinion. But you know, you guys do you. Peace.